In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone in Gumloop 2026 step by step. Keeping your time zone accurate ensures your automations, notifications, and logs line up with your local time, so nothing runs earlier or later than you expect. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, and along the way, I'll share a few tips to help you pick the right setting with confidence. Start by heading to the Gumloop hub in your browser. Once the dashboard loads, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the main navigation panel there. This panel is where you'll find the core areas of your account, and it's the quickest route to your personal and workspace preferences. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over it, or click the menu icon to expand it so the labels are visible. Next, click on Settings. This opens the area where you control account level options. Inside Settings, choose Profile. Profile is where your personal details and preferences live, including display choices and regional settings. If your workspace has multiple members, remember that the time zone you set here is tied to your individual profile, so it won't change other people's settings. On the profile page, look for the time zone field. It's usually grouped with general profile information and might display your current time zone if one is already set. To change it, click the drop-down button next to time zone. This will reveal a list of available regions and cities. The list can be long, so take a moment to scan carefully. If search is available in your interface, you can type a city or region to narrow it down. Otherwise, scroll until you find the best match. Select the time zone that corresponds to where you are or where you want your Gumloop activity to be tracked. Aim for a city in your region that observes the same daylight saving rules you follow. For example, choosing a nearby city with different daylight saving behavior can cause timestamps to shift unexpectedly during seasonal changes. Once you've selected your time zone, click anywhere outside the drop-down to close it. Gumloop will apply your choice, and you should see a confirmation that the time zone was updated successfully. That's your signal that the change is active. After updating, keep an eye on upcoming runs or scheduled tasks to make sure their times look correct in your local clock. If you travel frequently or work across regions, remember you can return to the same profile area anytime to adjust your time zone as needed. And that's it. You've successfully changed your time zone in Gumloop. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along click by click.